Hi everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the 3x3 Pyraminx. So, the Pyraminx is actually a very simple puzzle. So, it does not turn anything like the 3x3, which is a cube where you can turn all these layers. It turns really strange. So, if you turn it like that, it turns this whole side. And then this turns that. And the Pyraminx may look complicated, but there are some things about the Pyraminx that are just really easy. Like these tips are basically a layer by themselves, and they solve themselves at the end. So the only part that you're actually solving is this middle part here. So that's really easy, and I'm going to show you it with just a few algorithms. You'll be learning how to solve this. So here's the scrambled Pyraminx, and step 1 is to get 3 centerpieces. The centerpieces are these pieces right here. This one, this one, and this one. This one, this one, and this one. This one, this one, and this one. They make kind of a weird, neat flower signal there. You want to get 3 centerpieces on the same side. So we're going to get all the green centerpieces on one side. So there's 2 centerpieces right here and 1 right here. So we can just move those up. And see, it makes that design. Then after you do the centerpieces, you want to solve the tips. So just move it to green. And then next is to insert the edges. So what you do to insert the edges is very simple. So you find an edge in the top layer, like this one right here. This is the green and yellow edge. What you do is you bring it to the yellow side right here, and you make sure that you cannot see it. So like that. You can see it like that, that will not work. Move it over there. And what you do is very simple. You move it up, move where you want the edge to go up, move it over in there, and then while you bring that back down, you inserted it. Now, to do this last one here, it's flipped. So what you do there is move it up, move it out, and move it back down. So now it's on the top layer. You move it so you can't see it. Move it up, move it in, move it down. Once you do that, the first layer will be solved. So it always doesn't just do 2 times. You can do it as many times as you want, as long all the edges have to be in. And now you solve the centerpieces. So if this is the blue side, you move the blue centerpiece over like that, so it lines up, and then all the other centerpieces will line up there. Then you solve this tip, so bring it over to blue. Now you can see that there are only 3 pieces that are not solved. This one, and this one back here. So what you do, in this case, is you want to do a simple algorithm. So you can have 3 cases, and this is one of the cases. This case, there are no pieces solved whatsoever, and they're all out of order. So in this case, you hold it pointing towards you, doesn't matter what side, and whatever edges are, if they're to the right or to the left. So this time the yellow edges are to the right, because you're pointing the yellow side towards you. So what you want to do is right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, right, up inverted, right inverted. And there you go, it's solved. So as you can see, it's only one algorithm to get the whole thing solved on that case. Sometimes the yellow edges will be to the left. Now, you can basically just do the same algorithm you did for the right side, and it will go to the case on the right side. Then you just do it again. So right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, right, up inverted, right inverted, then move it up. So you can basically just do, for the cases where there's 3 pieces not solved, just keep doing right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, and basically till it solves. So yeah, sometimes you can have a case where 1 piece is solved. It doesn't matter what side it's on that the piece is solved, you just do this algorithm. L, U, R, U inverted, R inverted, L. Now, if it was on the left side, the piece, then you would have to do it one more time, but then the Pyraminx is solved. Sometimes you can have a case where only 2 pieces are not solved and everything else on the puzzle is solved. In this case, you do this algorithm. L, R inverted, L inverted, R, U inverted, R, U, R inverted, and the Pyraminx will be solved. So instead of remembering that whole algorithm, if you want to, you can just remember the moves that your fingers make. So down, down, up, up, over, up, over, down. And then we're back to the case. Then we do it again. Down, down, up, up, over, down. And that's the solved state. That is all you need to know on how to solve the Pyraminx. See you next time.